Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about quantification of greenhouse gas emission using unmanned aerial vehicles. So this is the scholarship position available in University of Manchester, Department of Earth and Environmental Sciences in UK. So you can also discuss about that position with these three professors, and also the deadline mentioned here is 29 February 2024. This is a competition full funded PhD project available for students worldwide. About the project, the PhD project builds on world-leading research at Manchester to more accurately understand and quantify greenhouse gas emission using unmanned aerial vehicles. Potential target for GHG emission quantification in project include landfill sites, oil and gas infrastructure, peatlands and wetlands. So you can take a look more about that. This is an opportunity for students to join existing research project in collaboration with other UK research teams that plan to study these sources in United Kingdom and internationally. Overall, the context of this project related to GHG emission quantification and reduction, with the chance to help assess the UK progress towards meeting net zero objectives. Eligibility applicants should or expect to achieve at least 2.1 honors degree or a master's international equivalent in relevant science and engineering related discipline. Funding. At Manchester, we offer a range of scholarships and awards at university, faculty and department level to support both UK and overseas postgraduate researchers applying for the competition and self-funded projects. Before you apply, we strongly recommend you to contact the supervisor of this project to apply. So these are the supervisors. And okay, how to apply? You can apply on this website. Click here and go and apply. When applying, you'll need to specify full name of the project, name of your supervisor if you are already having funding, or if you wish to consider for available funding through the university, detail your previous study and name and contact details of two referees. So you need to provide all the documents. After you applied, you will be asked to upload following documents: final transcript and certificate, and transcripts and CV, contact details of two referees, English proficiency certificate if available. And here we can so you can go to this website to take a look about how you can apply for that position. After you will apply, then you need to wait. First, I will recommend you that you should contact with the supervisors. I'm trying to log into that, but I don't know. Let's try. So that, yeah, here we are. Okay, first you need to apply now here, and then as they mentioned that you need to write the project name, supervisor and everything. If you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will respond to your queries. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then guys, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, we daily upload the videos for you and we really need your support. Thank you so much and I wish you best of luck. Take care. Bye bye.